number, and then we'll go around the circle, and everybody will do the same.
Sure. My name's Peter. This is Jetta. This is my fiance Jessica. Her son Isaiah. And we got him really young. He was 3 weeks old.
Okay.
3 weeks? 5 weeks. And, he's now 10 weeks. Shh. Stop it. Stop. So he's not used to other dogs.
Yeah, go ahead. She can't go anywhere.
She's all right. Are you sure about this?
Yeah, we're sure. We do it all the time. So now she goes way back.
Be nice. Don't play with him. Just kind of ignore him.
Yeah, just ignore him.
Just sort of ignore him.
Yeah. Hazel, you stay.
She doesn't want. Go say hi. Go say hi.
Well, she's the one that was least likely to go pounce.
Look at that cute. Sit.
And Jetta is mostly Schnauzer and a little bit of Shih Tzu.
Okay.
Why not? Go ahead,
This is Hazel.
Hazel, a ball of energy.
Yeah,
she is.
Okay, we're doing puppy push-ups. We're doing sit, down, and stand. Going kind of fast. If you go too fast, then she won't hold it for very long. So you want to try to give her at least a couple seconds. There you go, like that, and then down. There you go.
So she can.
Yep. So she can see what.
Down. All the way down. Look at that slaughter.
Try to switch it up a little bit. Go from a down to a stand and a stand to a down.
We haven't gotten that stand.
Oh, you haven't got your stand. Well, let's work on that a little bit.
She does the sit real well, but she won't stand there.
She won't stand. Okay, so when you're doing your stand, you're just going to take your treat and you're going to just pull it straight out.
Oh, okay.
Like that. Just like you're kind of guiding with your nose. So you sit, stand. Good girl.
Oh, yeah. Not very. Okay. Let's go.
Leave it. Good job. Yes, you're right there. You go. Leave it. Leave it. Come on, baby. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Very nice. Awesome. Do you want to do it too? Good job. Come on. Keep it. Leave it. Good girl. Yay. Very nice. I'm impressed, you guys. Okay, Miss Kaylee, are you ready? Yes. I am ready. Okay, let's go this way. I'm ready to play with Hazel. Can Hazel play with me? Play with Hazel. Let's go. Let's go. That looks just like her. See, that's why she went for it.
Okay, let's go. Good girl.
Very nice. Okay, now that they're all interested in what we've got here, I'm just going to bring them over and show you. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do our distractions at the same time. Yeah, I see it. Look at you. Look at you. I get to eat it. Look at you. You're not as scared of that at all. Well, she's not scared of it.
Yeah, she does. She loves it.
Look, what is that? What is that?
Well, got cookies.
Good job. Well, she's not worried about it. She's like, I don't know. That's a little scary. Hey, look at you. Oh, what a good girl. What a good girl. You're not scared. No. Hazel! Hazel! What's that? Hazel, look at me. Hazel! What are you doing? Okay, so have her sit when she comes to you, okay? Sit.
Good boy. Good sit.
Hazel! Hazel, come! Hazel, come! Good job. Okay, back again.
Good job.
Hazel, here. Come. Come. Okay, one more time.
Did you know I didn't have cookies? I did have her sit.
Hazel, come! Come here. Okay, one more time back. Sit. 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 Good job, good job. All right, good job.
It's like a mile run.
Good girl.
Hazel.
Sit. 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 Sit.
This time when she comes to you, try like before she gets all the way to you, tell her to sit and, you know, do the hand signal.
Sit. Sit. Sit, Kaylee. Yeah, you just want to sit. There you go. Kaylee, come here. Kaylee. Kaylee. Kaylee, come here. Come here, Daddy. Yes, what a good dog. Sit. Oh. Okay. That's because Mama's got the good stuff.
No, I have the stuff.
Sit. Sit. Now. Sit. Sit.
Good.
Good girl.
Okay, all her back.
Kaylee, come here. Kaylee. Kaylee. Kaylee, come here. Kaylee, I'm here. Kaylee, come here. Yes, come here. Yes, come here. Yes,
Okay, Mom, call her back.
Kaylee. Come here. Sit. 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 Good girl.
Good.
Kaylee. No. Yes, I know it's hers.
Okay, now with Kaylee, I think it'll help a little bit if you switch hands. And pick your treat and the other hand. There you go. Now get her over on the other side. And, yeah, there you go.
Great.
Let her know you've got a treat there. Good, that's better. Very nice with Hazel, very nice. Good. Good. Have you guys tried the, does she like peanut butter?
Yes.
Have you tried the peanut butter spoon?
Yes.
Okay. That's a good way to get us.
She would
Oh, she's going in your purse to get your
We
treat.
have treats in there.
Oh, I got him here.
Oh, okay. Maybe she's looking for cash, because we teach you to do that too. Hey, Hazel. It's like, hello.
Oh my goodness.
You lost a Post-it note, Mom.
Goodness, you are.
It's probably like getting milk and cheese and dog treats.
Look at Hazel. She's like, why are we getting that?
Look, we got a new baby.
I know, she's not like,
She's
she's not happy.
Poor Hazel. Okay, let's pass again. Here we go, Hazel. You come over here. Hazel. She likes your beard. That's good, because we don't get a lot of beards and hats, so that's good. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. You are so cute. You are. Like you. Yes, you are. You are so cute.
Oh, yeah.
Right on the pencil. Aw.